Okay, in this video, you are simply going to mark your age as of today, and then you're going to continue marking to your age in the year 2035. So essentially, you're just going to add 15 years to your age. So to do this, we're going to use the number grid. So it's under Playground. You switch to Number Grid. And then I like to expand it just because I can see it better. Slide it over here out of the way. Alright, so my age today is 40 years old right here. So I'm going to use my pen. I want you to draw a line all the way to whatever your age is. So I'm assuming it's going to be 13, 14, possibly 15. Wherever you're at in age right there, you'll start right here. And then you will draw a line. I don't care which way you go to it. That's completely up to you. But I should see a line starting at 1 going to your age today. Then you're going to use a different color. And you're just going to continue marking to your age in the year 2035. So my age today is 40. My age in 2035 would then be 55. So I'm going to mark all the way over to 40. Switch colors, and then go to 55. So looks pretty simple. It's not hard. My robot needs to turn to the right, drive all the way over to here, go up to 40, switch colors, turn left, and go to 55. So the first thing I want to do is I want to drop the pen because I want to start marking right away. I don't care which two colors you use. I'm going to use green and then red. Alright, so I need to turn to the right to get to mine. You drive to yours. Don't go to my age. Go to your age. So I'm going to turn to the right, and then I need to go over 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Alright, so remember, every square is 200. I've got to go to 18. So I'm going to drive forward for 1800. Then I'm going to turn left. So I turn left. Alright, so if you watch, you should start drawing right away, going to your number, wherever your number is. I was going to turn left, and then I need to go 2, 4, all the way across 40, which is 6, but I also have to count that half movement. So I'm going to drive forward for 700. Okay, so that'll take me across 40. Now I need to switch the pen color because now I'm switching to what I will be in the year 2035. Switching that to red. I need to go up 2 to the middle of that one, which would be 300. So I'm going to drive forward for 300. Turn to the left. So now it takes me to there. I need to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and don't forget your half there. So I need to drive forward for 1100. And I'm going to pick up the pen. And just kind of have him clear out of the way for my screenshot. As you can see, he will drive over for 1800, marking all the way, turning left, going up and across 40, where it switches colors to red, goes all the way to 55, should go all the way across 55, and that is my path marked out. And that's it. Very simple. So again, you're going to draw from 1 to your age now, whatever that is, switch colors, add 15 to your age and navigate to wherever that may be.